Sanibel tells us there are 5 breaches in the causeway leading to the island.
Well, one of the hardest hit areas was Sanibel Island, where
block after block of Sanibel Island with bruised, blown off, homes damaged or destroyed.
Sanibel Island is known for its white sandy beaches, wildlife reserves, and breathtaking sunsets. Today we'll give you an update of the island's most visited spots. We'll give you drone and drive footage of 6 months after Hurricane Ian. It's gorgeous right now, look at this. So we're driving across the causeway and the water's looking amazing. There's a lot of boats out, perfect weather, 82 degrees right now. And we're gonna go check out and see how Sanibel is at the 6-month point. I wish I was out here on the right, look at these boats.
God.
Entering Sanibel. It's a beautiful day, it's like 90 degrees out right now. This is Bowen Beach. Parking was pretty easy. There's like 200 spots, only half of them are taken right now. Nice little walk to get to the beach, cross over this lagoon, and I'm excited about this one. So the walk to the beach is about 5 minutes. It's a beautiful walk actually, and the sand is pretty compact, so if you want to roll things out here, you could do it. All right, Bowen Beach, beautiful. It is stunning here. Everything's coming back green. The sand's amazing, the water's amazing. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. We've been to a couple beaches on Sanibel so far. About a month ago, you saw our last video. Check it out here. This beach looked amazing. It felt like a fresh, amazing beach that you want to come to all the time. It has 200 parking spots, $5 per hour. This is one of my favorite beaches we've been to on Sanibel so far, just in general, before or after Ian. Like, this is a great beach. Fantastic. Super excited that this is open.
Jan Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge. It's not open yet, but this wildlife refuge covers over 6,000 acres and is home to over 245 bird species, as well as many other wildlife. Tarpon Bay Explorers is the only part of the refuge that is open currently, that you can get in the water, you can launch your kayak, or even stand-up paddleboard. Their gift shop is also open, which is really convenient if you are visiting.
We're at Jerry's Food Supermarket and Restaurant, and it is open. Everything looks really nice and really clean. It's like fully recovered here. It's really nice to see that the island has like souvenir shops, grocery store, pretty much everything you would need in the area now if you're staying here. I think this has been open for a little while. Like the souvenir shops said they've been open since October. I think Jerry's was open maybe a month or two after the hurricane. I heard the manager in the store also talking to one of the workers saying that they're pretty happy with how things are trending up and they're starting to see more people come in. They're starting to see more people buying stuff, so that is pretty awesome.
So far we can tell that there's a lot more work to do here, but the islands offer everything you need to enjoy the beautiful beaches and have a great time.
This looks really nice for 6 months ago. Like, I was not expecting it to look this nice already. They cleaned up all the trash, all the fallen over trees, everything's coming back green. It's starting to feel way more tropical compared to the last time. Again, 30 days ago, everything was still a little bit more brown, and now the green's really starting to come back, which makes me happy.
But let's check out one more beach and get some food.
I'm gonna say Sanibel is back.
This is Captiva.
Captiva. I'm gonna say Captiva is back.
This British-style bar is located in the heart of downtown Captiva, right on the beautiful sugar-white sands of Captiva Island. They serve seafood and delicacies with cold beers always on tap. The atmosphere is friendly and perfect for families, snowbirds, and locals. Outside on the beachside picnic tables is the best spot to enjoy the breathtaking sunsets over the Gulf of Mexico. Ah, the beach life. There's nothing quite like it, especially after a day of good food, and when it's time to head back, you'll be feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world, or at least the rest of your day. So go ahead, treat yourself to a day, or a week, or even a month of relaxation and beachy fun in Sanibel and Captiva Islands. You deserve it.